Hi Simple Life Ministry, Lorna here, back at you with another video. Today we're going to do a video about cassava, and I'm going to be showing you how I go about doing my version of a bammy. But I want to bring you in the bush and show you the cassava tree. This is a cassava tree, and then I want to show you Mr. Manley digging out the cassava, me gratering it, and just to give you my style of it. So this is the cassava tree, and this one is ready now to dig. My sister this morning, she said to me, Lorna, how do you know when a cassava is ready? How would you know? But what Mr. Manley is telling me is that this tree now is a younger tree, so you wouldn't quick to dig on this one. So this one that we're going to dig, you can see that it is taller, it spreads out more, and you can see that it is more mature. So these are sweet cassavas, they are not the bitter ones. So this would be the ideal cassava to use to make the bammy. So here now Mr. Manley gonna dig out the you should have dig it.
You want to dig it? You want to dig it?
Use your hand there, go and dig.
So come down, Daddy, and show them how the cassava, show them how God is so good. This dirt, it's a rocky place, but if you feel the dirt, it's so moist and so rich. And I just want to show you the goodness of God. All we did was plant a piece of stick, right, Mr. Manley? And then from the stick that we plant, this is the cassava that is coming. And cassava is such a good thing to plant, because when you plant it, you're not getting one little piece of something. It's like, just as how you see these cassava spreading and going all the way, that is how it is growing in the earth. And so here it is. Where is my knife? So you go and show what Mr. Manley is doing, sweetie. And let me get my knife. Look at that. Ooh. It's so fresh, so nice, and thanks, Mr. Manley. We don't need to dig anymore. We just need to. So what we do, I just come and it's almost like when you're peeling a banana, but this is even better because you don't have, it's not staining up your hand, and it just peel all the way like this. See that? Straight. And then I have my water over there. I like to do it like this because it's easier for me to, it's easier for me to just peel it like, look how fresh it is, Simple Life. So till you can get it's coming off. Okay. I'm telling you, bush life is so nice. It's so sweet, like...
When the ticks and the flea not bugging you.
But see, that's why I put on all this drab. So that means now I don't have to worry about it. I just come and do what I have to do and enjoy. So, anyway, Simple Life. So you take the cassava right from the field, you peel it, because like I said, it's very easy to peel, and when it's so fresh and it's not old and stuff. So come over here.
Banana tree is too big now.
So here I already have some that I was gratering, so that I don't take up too much of your time. The reason why the water is this color, the water is the rainwater that we catch, and then the leaves fall down in the mesh and gives it this color, but it's good rainwater. So anyway, you just come on here and you just grate the cassava. See there? Nice and soft. And if you want to make like cassava dumpling, you just do the same. You can just come on here, put this with some regular flour and make your dumpling, or you can squeeze out the starch from out of it and use it to make your cassava dumpling. Nice and fresh. You don't have to go and buy any frozen cassava. You just come on here and do it like this.
Nothing like planting your own.
Nothing like having your own simple life. I'm telling you, this is the life. I love it. You know. Ah! Look at that CD, Mr. Manley just went and get. Yeah. Me can't touch it. Yeah, but nah. Yeah. Praise the Lord. Sweet. And all of that simple life, we planted it. We planted it here for ourselves. Isn't that a blessing? Like I'm really so happy to be in the bush and to be doing these things. Really and truly. I'm gonna have to do a part 2 where we have a fire so I can make the bammy to show you. But this here now, I just want to come and show you this part. So what we will do, remember I don't have a real kitchen, so I'm just
improvising.
Yeah. Okay. So we do that. This is how and all of this is just from Mr. Manley explaining to me how he remembers his wife doing it. So after I put it in there like that, I ring it around, and then my cloth have a hole in it.
You have to keep the top.
Yeah, so see all that starch you try to, and you know something simple life, see this starch that I'm wringing out, you could wring it into something, put it to dry, and then after it's dried you can add water to it and use it to starch your clothes. It's the same.
They still do that?
Yeah, but guess what? No, people don't do that. Maybe, but it's not common. What they do is they buy the starch, the spray starch.
Yeah.
Yeah, so anyway, you squeeze it as much as you can. That's what I do. And after I do that, I got it in there. I'm not gonna do everything because I just want to give you a little idea, yes, of what to do. So you squeeze and squeeze. I don't bother to put it out in the sun to dry because I don't want it to be too dry to work with. Okay. Can we go with that now?
Oh, for sure.
Okay. So what you do now, simple life, after you do that, you just take it and you do this with your hands, and you try to get it as shelly to get out.
You see this?
Oh my God! Oh my gosh!
You can't hold it. You can't hold it.
Oh my gosh!
You can't hold it.
Hold it up, Mr. Manley. Hold it up, Mr. Manley. All right.
So nice.
All right.
And we planted that, not true, Mr. Manley? Yeah. And look how big it is. And guess what? There is no fertilizer. That's the best part. It's real and it's natural.
Right, yeah.
Is it a different brand from the first one that you picked?
Yeah.
Is it a different
One
kind
is the
of potato?
purple and one is the white.
Yeah.
Sweet potato. They are sweet potato.
So after I do this now, this is part 1. This is the first part. I don't know if I'll be able to do part 2 over here because I will have to make up a fire. But I'm going to try to get you part 2 of how I make the cassava. The cassava
Bammy.
is the bammy. The cassava is the bammy is not really hard. I used to think it was hard. When Mr. Manley tells me what to do, I said, he's just telling me as if it's nothing, but I know it must be hard. But then when I went home and I practiced it for myself, I realized that it's not as bad as I thought. So Simple Life, in order to not make the video too much longer, I just want to say to you, if I was home now, I would put this in a sieve and sieve it out, but you don't have to do that because we're doing Simple Life, right? That's the name of the channel. So I'll come back to you with part 2 to show you how we make the bammy. So we go from, hold on, we go from here to here to here to here, and then we'll come back with the part 1, 2, 3, part 5. Okay, so bye for now, Simple Life. Thank you for sharing this video, for liking and subscribing. God bless. See you next time.